Hey there, it's Eric Armenta with DeYoung Properties, your senior new home professional. I wanted to update you with our brand new Residence 140. We have a hard hat tour coming up this Saturday, May 18th. Come on by and I can give you a personal tour. We are excited to add this new and exciting value-packed floor plan to our lineup, and we cannot wait to share it with you. Also, we do have Grillin' and Chillin' coming up June 22nd. Come on by and have a little bit of food, have fun, and we look forward to seeing you at that event as well. I'm excited to update you and let you know that 60% of our availability here at Sereno is already sold out. Do not miss your opportunity. Come on by and we'll show you why 113 families have chosen DeYoung to build their homes here at Tesoro Viejo. We look forward to talking to you and we'll see you soon.